this is literally the beginning of an epic week-long adventure with my brother. The only problem is I am meeting him in a city that's 6 hours away, and I have to be there to pick him up at the airport. Who agrees to pick somebody up at the airport that's 6 hours away? We're gonna do some crazy treasure hunting. We're gonna see what kind of insane things that we can find. He is amazing, and he's really good at finding some really cool things. So I'm excited to see what kind of stuff we find, but I've got to get there. I've got to get there, and the problem is 6 hours is a lot of time to get distracted. I've got this little mama here with me. She's my co-pilot on this little adventure. Oh, already distracted. Okay, I gotta go.
Proceed to the route.
I'm trying to proceed to the route. Siri, believe me, I want nothing more than to get on that stupid route. I'm gonna have to drive like 90 miles an hour just to get there. All right. Siri, the route will be proceeded to within due time. Enough. Oh, I'm not yelling at you, baby. I'm just kidding. So we have a long time to go on the road right now. I need to come up with some ideas of ways to help pass the time. This whole desert highway stuff right now, it's a whole vibe. You have to listen to country music when you're around this type of scenery, right? I want to sing, you guys. How's this? Is this good for you guys?
If you wanna drive a big limousine, I'll buy the longest one you've ever seen. I'll meet you when my chores are through.
This is for you, Durian.
It just does something to me. If I hurry, I can still make Cheyenne.
You guys, I've never seen my dog more terrified in all of her life. What are these noises coming out of your face? I know, but you know what? That's called talent. Talent. People get paid a lot of money for what your dad just did there. So my brother's flight is 15 minutes delayed, and we are like an hour delayed. I'm trying to, drive as quickly as I can in a legal fashion. In the meantime, I'm having a great time with you guys on this fun little adventure. Durian is not having it. So I'm driving and I see this on the side of the road. It's called In Your Dreams, but it's antiques. I don't know, it looks really big inside, and my brother might be waiting there for a minute because this takes priority. Nothing dramatic, just a bit. So why don't we run in here and just see if we can find anything cool, and hopefully they let you in, Durian, because it's 900 degrees out here. So let's go check it out. At 50% off, I think I can probably do that. So now I just need to find somebody that can open this case for me so I can get in there and grab it. Great, this is a $200 gas tank for $60, so now I'm probably gonna end up carrying this with me on this road trip. You guys, I don't know whether to be excited or to feel bad about leaving my brother at the airport, but I think I've been here like an hour now, and there's still too much stuff. Like, there's no sign in Like, look at this Bakelite clock. I'm obsessed. Like, I kind of need this in my life. I hope it's expensive so I don't have to buy it. It's too much. Okay, I need to stop finding things so I can go get my brother. Ugh, I love this. It's like pretty much what they go for, so I'm probably not gonna be able to get that. You guys, I'm kind of freaking out a little bit because I'm obsessed with these. Look at this. It's just like a giant pottery planter. And it's $75. But then look, they have even more. $65. So cool. Oh no. I know I'm on a road trip and I shouldn't be buying this kind of stuff because it's huge and really breakable. These are so cool though. Like, these are all from a potter out of Oaxaca who was born like in the 1920s or 30s, and she died in the 1980s, but she's actually pretty famous, and those are incredible pieces. They're not perfect, some of them have some chips and stuff, but I'm actually gonna make them an offer. Like, I would buy all of those if they would give me like 30% off. I'd probably buy them anyways, but I'm gonna see if they'll give me 30% off. So I know it's hard to hear me with these fans blowing. They have this like upstairs clothing area where it's just clothes, which is fine till you get in here. And then it's not fine anymore. Even Durian's like, this is not what I signed up for. Okay. You know, I think we're done. I think I've seen enough, actually. Hours. You guys, we're talking literally hours. Boxes of stuff, and they closed just as I was leaving, so I don't know what happened. Oh my god. I still have 2 hours. He should be landing any minute. I've got to go, but I'm gonna tell him I hit traffic or something. Oh my gosh. You guys, I'm in trouble. My brother's calling me. He's landed and I'm like, I am so far away. Hello?
Hey.
Hey, how's it going?
Going pretty well. Just waiting on you.
Did you land?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I am probably like an hour and a half to 2 hours away. That I'm just like sitting in this traffic. It's really bad. I don't know. Is there like some place you can go to get food or some kind of, I don't know what's going on.
I'll figure something out.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna be there. So are you gonna? What do you mean you'll figure something? What does that mean?
Well, I mean, I can't. I have no choice but to stay here and just find ways to pass time.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. I'll keep you updated once I get a little closer.
Awesome. Thanks so much. You're the best.
Okay, I'll talk to you soon. He'll get over it, right? People get over things and then they just move on and then they don't remember them, right? Also, there's plenty to do at an airport for like a couple of hours. Get over yourself. Just kidding. I still feel really bad. I'm almost there. This took so much longer than I thought. I don't know where to pick people up here though. That's the real question. I feel like he's gonna be a very unpleasant soul to have to share this metal driving machine with. Where do I pick people up though? Oh, there he is. Oh gosh. Howdy, partner. You need a ride? Do you need a ride? Wait, hang on. Let's pull over. I gotta make room. Come up here. How was your flight? Let's go. Let me just put in the address of the Hotizzy and then we'll gizzy. Let's get to the hotel, unload all of this stuff. Unfortunately, I was unable to pick you up on time because I got super sidetracked. My ADD came into play. So it's a medical thing, not so much a selfish thing. All right, you guys, we're gonna get to the hotel and unload all of this stuff, and I will show you guys all of the nonsense that I got today. And Tyler's gonna hate the whole thing because that's, you know, literally why
Take a slight right turn.
he was picked up late. Bye! We haven't even started this trip, and look at all of this stuff that we have to take in. Like, it's a little concerning, but we just got to the hotel. And we're going to unload. She just wants to be inside. All right. Okay. Hold on. Stay. Looks like you get the sofa. Oh wow, the view is breathtaking. All right guys, so we finally got everything inside. I just have to show you a couple of the things that I got really quick. I did end up getting this stupid gas tank. Which honestly, I'm kind of excited about. This is in really good shape and people love these things. But the one thing that I'm super excited about, and he hasn't even seen these yet.
What is this?
I bought 3 of these, dude. So like, all of you guys already saw it. So these are actually, it's from a really famous potter in Oaxaca who was born in like the 1920s. This is like super, super old Mexican folk art pottery. And they had 3 of these there. This one was $75, one was $55, and one was $65. And they gave me 30% off since I got them all. So that's what I was really excited about. This is insane. So they had all of this like Native American pottery, and this is Acoma, and it was $175, but it was 50% off, and it's a bottle. So like this part here comes off, and this thing is insane. These things are like, I don't know, these are worth anywhere from $250 to $300, sometimes a little bit more, but it's signed on the bottom, and it's in perfect condition. I love this. This is probably one of my most favorite things that I found today. A couple of baskets and just some like random things here and there. Of course, the naked lady lamp. I just love like Art Deco figure lamps, and it's not Art Deco, it's definitely a reproduction. It's made out of resin, but it was only $35 and it's pretty cool. I think it's like super stylized and neat. So tomorrow, I'm super excited because we're actually gonna check out a local flea market, and now that I've got my sidekick, we're gonna be unstoppable. We're gonna find some insane stuff. So I'm super excited to show you guys everything that we end up getting. So make sure that you guys check out the next video because that'll all be tomorrow's stuff. So If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it now so you don't miss future episodes. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and thank you for coming along with me today. This was a fun little adventure, even though this kid is not having the best day. All right, guys, thanks for watching.